Oh, who's this? Oh, it's my cameraman. Hey, man.
Hey, Ray. What are you doing?
I'm not coming in today, man. I got severe man cold.
But we're going to do the Ray videos.
I can't, man. Severe man cold is way worse than giving birth. You don't understand.
What are we going to do? We can't let the people down.
Well, I got a guy, all right? He'll be around 20 minutes. He'll meet you.
Where? What's his name?
He'll meet you at BP. His name's Sandy, okay?
You don't sound good, Ray.
Oh, I can't do nothing today. I'm serious, man.
All right, we'll catch up tomorrow.
All right, dude. Sorry, everybody. All right, bye.
So I'm going to take Ray's word. We're going to go try to meet this Sandy fella. We're almost at BP. Ray says I can't miss him. Oh, no. No. Please, no. Are you Sandy?
Oh, that's right, Sandy Klaus. Ray said he wanted me to fill in for him, so here I am. What are we doing?
There's a Honda right behind us. You know what
I
to do?
seen it when I flew in, yes.
All right, let's go get that one.
All right, hand me a hat and a card. Is that what he's giving out?
Yeah, sounds good. We'll go get him.
Welcome, boys and girls, to another week of Ray's giveaways. Poor Ray, he's homesick, so he asked me, Sandy Klaus, to fill in for him. So we're going to go around giving out gift cards and hats on the cars. Oh, and we got one right here. All right, let's do this one. Where would you like me to stick it?
Under the wiper.
Okay, we'll put it right here. Very good. Oh, this is so much fun. All right, we got a nice CRV here. Nice white one like Christmas snow. Let's go put this on the wiper, right? Oh! We're giving away Bruce on a girl's giving Christmas gifts. Oh, you're more than welcome. I'm Bruce and have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, boys and girls. Bye-bye. Okay, we found another Honda Civic. It's blue. I like red, but okay. Let's go do this. Oh, my God. It's not a bad blue. Put that brake there. I want to take a selfie, too. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, that's going to leave a spark. Let's go.
How you doing, Sandy?
Oh, I'm having so much fun. There's a lot of wind down in Yarmouth. It just blows everything up. All right, we found another HRV. I'm going to go do the windshield thing and have it on there. Are we ready to go? Let's do it.
No idea why. Sandy sent me to get carrots, so I got the carrots. Sandy,
Yes?
what are you doing?
Oh, I'm having my break.
What break?
It's union rules. What can you do?
What union?
Have you ever heard of Yule? Your union of little elves. You don't mess with them guys. Have you ever heard of Elf on a Shelf? That's what happens when you mess with the union. I'm not messing with those guys. go, young man. This is for you for having a Honda. Oh, Sandy gets hugs. All right, Merry Christmas, everybody. Santa's getting out of here.
You sure you want me to let you out here?
Oh, yes, this is a beautiful spot for me to get out. Oh, thank you so much, boys and girls, for letting me do the Bruce Honda Ray Ray giveaways. It was so much fun. Hopefully, Ray Ray will be back. If not, give me a call. Who knows what else I'll do? Okay, bye-bye. Oh, hello again.
Sandy!
Oh, I forgot my eggnog. Got a little something to go with this. All right, we'll see you later.